Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So, ang vlog na to is for Japan vlog. So, today is Tuesday and dumating kami dito kahapon, Monday. Halos full day yung flight kaya hindi na ako napag-vlog. Kasi sobrang nakakapagod talaga. 8 AM nasa airport na kami. And then 8 PM dumating kami dito kasi may layover pa kami sa Taiwan. Which is nakakatakot kasi may bagyo pala sa Taiwan ngayon. Sobrang nakakahilo yung flight kasi bumaba kami and then umakyat kami. Dahil nga nahirapan yung piloto sigurong bumabayin yung aeroplano. Tapos, before Monday pa, nung Sunday, may game kami 7:30 sa Montalban. So, puyat talaga kami. Tapos nagkaroon kami ng flight. And then now, umuulan pa ngayon dito sa Japan. Medyo sakto lang yung weather niya. Hindi ganun kalamig kahit umuulan. Sabi kasi nila, medyo pa-winter pa lang daw ngayon. Buti na lang ganun kasi may ako sa lamigin. Ngayon, nag-viewing lang kami kanina. And then, lalabas kami ng lunch kasama yung team. And then, may practice kami mamaya. So, exciting day ahead. Then, game bukas. Pagod talaga yung schedule namin eh. Pakita ko yung schedule dito sa gilid. Ng mga last few weeks, naka 5 games na kami sa PBA. And then, may game ulit kami bukas. And then, Sunday, and then 29, babalik ulit kami in Taiwan. Ganun kagrabe yung schedule namin for this month. Parang 9 games ata or 10 games ata kami for this month. So, sobrang dami kami. Pero sa akin, exciting. More games, more experience. Hi! Turista!
Pre, congrats sa Player of the Week ah. Keep it up, keep it up. I love you.
Ito si Kanyer, ito retire na.
Retire na. Wala na to. Ano pa to? 80s pa to. Grabe, ito. Maliksi ah. Ito, ang the future talaga. Ito. Ito, Bates. The Mr. Bates! Future! Future son!
So, mag-gym muna ako today bago mag-practice ng 4 PM. Dapat matutulog muna ako, pero tingin ko naman okay na yung tulog kong 8 hours. At dapat kasi after practice ako magbubuhat, pero naisip ko na mag-gym na ngayon kasi plano kong pumunta mamaya pagtapos ng practice sa golf store dito. May malapit kasi 6 minutes away lang siya. And yun plano ko. So sabi ko mag-gym na ako para hindi ko na problemahin yung gym mamaya. Ganda ka ng labas ng gym. Highway siya, tapos sa baba may parang mga park. May basketball court doon. Pero yung gym niya parang kwarto lang, ang liit lang ito. May bench press, konting dumbbells. Okay lang naman yan kasi maintenance lang tayo. Hindi tayo magbubuhat ng ganong kabigat.
I'm parked up, valeting it. Shoot my shot and I'm draining it. I'm Steph Curry, ain't playing this. I don't know what you cost, but I'm paying it. All options, I'm weighing it. If I'm going in, I'm staying in. A king bag, come laying it. Day and night, it's the way of life. I'll weigh you out, then take you out to the Waffle House for some steak and eggs. Pulling up, then we hopping out. Got you walking out with the wobble legs. Wait, girl, I peeped you looking like a baddie, you a diva. Pretty face, caramel skin like a Leah. Saw that fatty poking from the back like Serena. So let me see some. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back.
Hindi pala kami sa court magka-practice. Hindi pala sa stadium. May practice court pa pala sila dito. Sa loob to ng stadium hindi dito sa labas lang Ganoon sila kalupit. Province pa to, hindi pa to. Sa Tokyo, Okinawa.
Hindi na lang yung muna. Sila yung pogi dito.
Hi! Vlog to vlog.
She got a PNC. Baby girl, you know you was made for me.
So, nandito ako ngayon sa isang golf store sa Japan. At, what?
6 to P.
Yeah. So, nakakuha ko ng P... Ang pangalan na ito? P7. P770 na iron. So, sinaman tayo ng dalawang Pinoy. Hi naman kayo sa vlog ko. Hi. Thank you. This is a vlog.
Yasui ite. Doko demo kochi ga ichiban yasui.
Tinry ko siya at nagustuhan ko naman yung iron. So, kompleto na yung set ko. Wala na akong problema. Meron akong driver, irons, may pattern na rin ako, may bag. So, work. Ayusin ko na lang yung palo. So, excited na ulit ako umuwi ng Maynila para mag-golf tayo na. Saya. Sa Maynila, marami ganun eh.
Wala nang take two, no?
Oh, hi ka muna. Hello! Stage! So today is Wednesday, October 22. Tapos na namin mag-viewing. And nandito kami ngayon sa Ryukyu ulit para mag-shooting. And then kasi mamaya may laro na kami. Game day today. Go! Okay naman.
Parang malamig pa pati.
Dun, dun, dun.
Relax Joe, matanggal yung matuhod mo.
4 PM na and kailangan ko kumain kasi may laro ng 7:30. Kailangan ko kumain para hindi ako magutom mamaya sa game. Hindi pwedeng late, hindi pwedeng maaga. Basta mga 3 hours before, kumakain na talaga ako. Para sakto, 7 PM ko, okay na. So, naghanap ako ng pagkain dito sa Lawson. Wala kasing 7-Eleven dito, Lawson lang meron. So, yun yung option na meron lang. Sana may masarap na food. Biging chicken ng bun, apple juice, tiramisu for dessert. Nandito na ako sa lobby at hinihintay ko na rin yung mga teammate ko. So, dito ko na tapusin yung vlog for this day. Sana may magawin pa tayo after the game mamaya. Pero, yun. Focus na ako sa game. See you later or tomorrow.
Many basketball fans know of.
6-year NBA vet, most notably his tenure with the... There's a move inside, pass out, Cancino. We haven't seen him do much thus far, getting in the paint.
9 steps inside.
Gets it to go. So they are getting somewhat open looks, just not making them. And here's Cancino with the pull-up. So that's going to necessitate a timeout.
But that is his range.
Yep, that's sure. For sure, right? NBA 3, right?
Yep.
And here's the corner 3. Makes it. For sure, right? NBA 3, right? And then, for sure, right? NBA Chris Newsom. Right? That actually was the lone 3. Sure. For sure, right? NBA 3, right? And then, here's RJ. Jefferson. To the corner. Newsom. Oh, and then to a cutting Cancino. Nice layup. What a bucket.
Some good backdoor cuts here.
Yes, sir. Oh! And that surface shot, the Heat, they're going to count it. Cancino.
I think it's before the clock. Definitely before the
I
clock.
think so too. Yeah, no, he had launched it.
Yeah, that was a
Yep. Cancino, the pull-up. Cancino. Tadahara's heroics in the fourth point Kings, and also the season opener for Morocco coming up empty today, but the 81-72 final score.
So dito kami sa Manila. And hopefully, yung irons ko, buo pa. Hanap na ako na luggage. So guys, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog. Hi, Lo. Come here. Pakita ko muna sa vlog ko. Hi. So, yun lang yung Japan vlog namin. And abangan yung next vlog na Taiwan sa November 1. Medyo nakakapagod din. Hopefully, maganda yung kalabasan ng vlog. Yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next vlog.